Hey physicists, one last thing I'd like to add to the description of our simulation here is how to make a current measurement with the meter. It'll be a more precise measurement, and so for some of you I'm going to ask that you use the meter instead of using these little drop-in indicators. So I'll come down here, icon of the meter, I'll go ahead and click on that. And as before, we have the voltmeter and the amp meter. Remember, to effectively measure amps, what we have to do is break the circuit and then force the current to go through that meter. Okay, let's take a look at here. If I want to see what the current is, perhaps leaving the battery here, what I'll have to do is break this circuit, go up here, I'll remove that wire here, back down to the meters. I'll put one lead at one end of the break, the other lead on the other end. And I can end up seeing here I have what looks like 1 amp. Current leaves the battery, has to go through the meter, and then continues on the rest of the path. Let's go ahead and check maybe one of these branches. Notice there are 3 parallel branches here. So I'm going to come back over here for a pencil. I'm going to break the circuit here. I am going to go ahead and put a wire back in here. I want to know how much current flows along this first branch. Go back over here to our meters. Remember, I want to have the negative, or the black lead closer to the negative end of the battery, the red closer to the positive, and that way the sign will be what I expect. Okay, so I now am measuring current just down this one branch. I can see it's 0.25 amps, a little more accurate than what I would find on these small block drop-in indicators. So please go ahead and use the amp meter for making your current measurements. Again, the technique is break the circuit and then put the meter in where it will complete the circuit. For example, here we end up having kind of an end here. Current needs to get down to here. The way that's done is with connecting the meter across that jump, forcing the current to go through there. All right, good luck.